Hi and welcome to my video. In this video I want to show you how you can make pop-ups. So when somebody comes to your website and after a specific time, then a pop-up will trigger and communicate a specific message, or we have the option to trigger the pop-up when somebody wants to leave your website. And pop-ups always work. Pop-ups are good. And you can, if somebody wants to leave your website, then you can display a text, or you can use a pop-up to get somebody to sign up to your email list or something like this. And in this video, I want to show you how you can create your pop-ups with Elementor and Elementor Pro. So we need a WordPress website, and we need Elementor and Elementor Pro. So if you don't have Elementor Pro, then I will link the video how you install Elementor Pro for free, something here. And I also will link the website, the video, how you can install Elementor Pro for free in the video description down below. So check it out and install Elementor Pro real quick. And after you done this, you have a new option here on your WordPress dashboard. So you have here's Elementor, and then underneath Elementor is templates. And if you hover over template, then you can see the window and you can see pop-ups. So if you click on pop-ups here, this is where you can create all your pop-ups. So you can create as many pop-ups as you want. And for this example, now we go to add a new pop-up because I want to create a new pop-up, and then you can search the template library. And first you have to connect with Elementor, with the database. You can make a new account with your Google account. You can link your Google account, even if you use my video how you get Elementor Pro for free. It doesn't matter. You can sign up, so you have the connection with Elementor, with the library of Elementor, and you have access to all the templates. And I've done this already. It's really simple. They will ask you here in the screen, please connect your website, and you can do this real quick. And then after you've done this, then you are here in this this window, and here you can choose pop-ups, and then you can give your pop-up a name. For example, my pop-up is the name pop-up 1. If you can use different names, it doesn't matter. So then I click on create template. And now Elementor will load all the templates for you. It takes a little bit, but not that long, and there it is. Now you can see a lot of different templates in the library here. You can choose whatever template you want, and also you can customize every template. So if there's an image, you can change the image, or you can place a new text wherever you want, and new images, or even you can include videos in your pop-up. So there are very, very good templates. For example, I like this template very much. When you are collecting emails, then you can use this or this. And if you want to give a discount code, then use another one. So, or even surveys. You can make surveys with this, and it's really cool. But for now, let's select one. The pop-up library is so huge. You are so overwhelmed with all the pop-up types here. For example, let's take I don't know. This is so hard. Let's take this, for example. I don't know. Let's take this. So then click hover over it, and or you can enlarge it, and you can take a closer look. But for this, we use this template here. Then simply click on insert, and then the template will get downloaded to your database. And so here is our little pop-up. And here you can change the image. For example, we want to change the image. It's really easy. It's the normal Elementor page. For example, let's use this little guy here. Let's make him a little bit smaller. Okay, even with animation. And we have better deal for you, just to show you. And yeah, here is an email and name collecting thingy here, but I don't want to have this, so I can delete this. You can also implement MailChimp or Aweber or whatever email service you're using, but I want to have something like this here, a text. Use the code, I don't know, save 50%, just for example. So then I make it a little bit bigger, perfect, and I want to change the color, maybe to blue, perfect. Okay, and now my pop-up is ready. Then I will click on publish. And now it's getting interesting, so I can change all the settings here for the template. I can the condition, add a condition where I want to display the pop-up. So in my case, I want to show it on the entire site. You can make it only for WooCommerce or for blog posts or whatever you want. But in my case, I want to include it on the entire site. And then I will go to trigger. So here you can have all the trigger points. So when you want the pop-up to display immediately when somebody come to your page, then you can check this here. You can add a waiting time. So if somebody is, for example, 20 seconds on your website, then you can set the trigger here on 20 seconds. Or on scroll, when somebody scrolls on your website, then you can make this trigger here. You can specify the percentage of your website. When somebody is on 50% of your website, then the pop-up will trigger. Or if somebody is on a specific element on your website, or if somebody clicks on a specific element, then you can trigger the pop-up. Or what I really like is on page exit intent. So if somebody want to exit your website, then you can trigger the pop-up. This is what I do most of the times. Then the pop-up triggers and shows a specific message that somebody should give their name and their address or their email address to your email service. Or in this example, I will provide them with a discount, with a coupon code. So I will use this for now. And then you have advanced rules. You can include so many stuff here, show that they can leave the pop-up, or where the pop-up should leads to. If somebody clicks on the pop-up, that another page will open. Or specific user groups, you can specify specific user groups, or you can include or exclude specific devices if you only want the pop-up to trigger on PCs or on mobile devices. You can do this here. Yeah, this is everything you can imagine. You can set up here. So, but now I don't want this, so then I can click on save and close. Now my pop-up is saved. Perfect. I don't know why this is opening right now. So perfect. Now our pop-up is ready. Let's go to the front page here and reload the page, and let's see if our pop-up works. Okay, our website has reloaded. Then we will exit the website, and yeah, there it is. It works. Now our pop-up is here, and they can see it, and I could include a link or whatever I want, and yeah. You can see how easy it is to include a pop-up. You only need to have a WordPress website with Elementor and Elementor Pro. Like I said, if you don't have Elementor Pro, don't worry. I will link my video on how to get Elementor Pro for free in the video description down below. It's really simple. You can download the test version of Elementor Pro, and you can use it as long as you want. Like I said, check the description down below. And yeah, that's it for the video. And now you know how you can easily create pop-ups in your website or integrate pop-ups in your website. If you have any questions about this, then you can leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will check the comment section all the time, and I will try to answer all your questions in time. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, then please give me a thumbs up, and yeah, please also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more videos about Elementor and WordPress in general and WooCommerce. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much for your time, and thank you for watching my video. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.